up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I finally got my other Bratz palettes in the mail to share with you guys, so I'm so excited. I'm going to be doing a video on each individual palette. But today we're actually going to go in with the Sasha palette. But honestly, I love the warm neutral colors and then the pops of blue. I think it's super pretty and I feel like this one is just gorgeous. So I think we're going to start with this one today actually. So I'm really excited to head on into this. But yeah, I want to show you guys the other palettes I picked up as well. So here is the Yasmin palette. And then I almost decided to do the Jade palette, but I think I'm going to save her for the next one. So there's Jade, and then my Chloe palette I think came messed up actually. I emailed Ulta back tonight because I realized that these two shades, I don't know if you can tell, but they're like the same exact shade when the Angel shade is supposed to be a really light, pretty blue. So I emailed them, so hopefully we will have a different one so that we can really test this palette out and everything. And the pink one, I don't know if you guys see that, but it had like a weird speck in it, which maybe that's not really a big deal, but I don't know, I was like, that looks a little funky. So hopefully we can get a different Chloe palette or figure something out with this one. Today we're going to be going in with the Sasha palette, and I'll show you guys the packaging here. Here's the little unicarton it came in, and then it just has her name along the back right here as well. And this palette is so cute. I love it, and I love how it's shaped like the boxes of the dolls and everything. It comes with a really nice big mirror as well, so that is super convenient, you know, to hold up while you're doing your makeup. I went ahead and did my base makeup just like I did last time when I did a video on the Limitless palette covering all of them. If you guys want to check that out, I will put a link down below. So we're just going to go in with a highlight first because I didn't want to put one on because they give you 4 big ones here down at the bottom. I'm going to go in with Grabrielle, which is more of like the pinky kind of champagne-y color, and we will see how this one looks. Ooh, it's looking pretty blinding. Here's the highlight. I think it looks really pretty. It's nothing like too over the top. It just gives you a nice little glow, so I really like that. But now that we are highlighted and glowing, let's go ahead and get into the eyeshadows. So let's see what shade we want to start with today. I think I'm going to start with the shade Vibe Check, which is just like a peachy kind of color right down here. Okay, so there is the color Vibe Check just buffed all over the crease. I think it turned out really cute. That color is very pigmented and super easy, honestly, to just buff and blend out. I want to go in with Latest Hits, which is this like deep mahogany red. I think this color is super cute. So I'm going to take that and kind of focus it on like the outer portion of my eye, I think, and see how that one's looking. And I am just taking it and starting to kind of buff and blend it into the crease a little bit. I'm going to take that Vibe Check brush and just go back in and kind of buff out those edges just to make sure they're real seamless. I am going to go cut my crease off camera real quick, and then I will be back and we can go ahead and start using some of those blue shades because I'm really excited to get into those ones. I just did a cut crease really quick. It's probably not perfect, but I just used my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Fix concealer, and this is in the light sand shade, so I just did that really fast here. This color in the whole palette just calls my name, this beanie shade. So I'm gonna take the beanie shade and hopefully this goes okay. Because I almost drop everything. I'm gonna have to take a brush to get into the like hard to reach little spots. So I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Strike a Pose, which is like this really pretty berry color. And it's right by the shade Beanie, which is like a mess for me now. But it's this one right here. So I'm gonna use this one to try to deepen up that outer corner just a little bit. I am softly taking it and just blending it into where I kind of cut the crease, because that blue, I don't know, I didn't want to lay down as great on top of that concealer as I was wanting, so I think this actually makes it look a little bit nicer. So I'm just kind of softly feathering that in there. As you can see, that really helped kind of make it pop a little bit, I think, and helped blend that blue in. So we're going to do this over here. It's actually looking really pretty now. So for the lower lash line, I'm trying to decide what I want to do. For lower lash line, I'm also going to go in with the Strike a Pose shade, which was that really nice kind of mahogany berry color, I guess I would say. So I'm going to go in with that one and just run that along my lower lash line. Then I'm going to go in with Vibe Check, which is right here. It's just that peachy color again. I'm going to go in with this one and run that just underneath that cranberry color just to kind of help diffuse it a little bit. I'm going to take some of Choreography, which is that brown, and just run the tiniest bit of it closest to my lash line just to kind of deepen it up just the tiniest bit. I do want to go in with the inner corner and brow bone highlight, so I am going to be taking the same shade that we used for our highlighter today, which is the Grabrielle shade. It's this big one down here. Hey guys, so now that we have the eyeshadow pretty much done, I am going to go ahead and go put some liner and some lashes and some mascara on so we can see how it's going to look all together. And then we will go ahead and put one of the Bratz lip glosses on as well. Okay guys, we are back with some lashes. So for lips, right now I just have my Laneige mask on while I was doing the rest of my makeup. But we're going to take that off. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. I did try this new LA Colors Neon Gel eyeliner, and this one's in the shade Wonder. These are actually really nice. I really like them. I popped that in there because it is kind of a minty blue and I just thought it was fun. So we do have that in the waterline. If you haven't watched my other video, I want to give you some information about these lip glosses. This is the Lip Plumping Gloss and it is $12 and I bought mine at Ulta. So I do have the Chloe shade here. we are going to wear the Chloe shade. In my last video, I tried the Jade shade, and I didn't buy the Sasha or the Yasmin shade because I have way too many lip glosses. Maybe I should end up buying them, but I didn't. And if I didn't mention, the palettes retail for $22. So that is the rundown on the pricing. I am going to go in with a little bit of lip liner, which, like I said, I wish the collection did come with lip liners because I think that's totally a Bratz thing and that would be pretty cool. But I am going to go in with the LA Colors lip liner. It's called Bear With Me. So I'm going in with the Bear With Me lip liner here real quick. These are like the biggest lip glosses ever. They are massive and they do have a minty scent, which I really love. And the applicator is almost like the Tarte Shape Tape concealer applicator. It is huge. But they do give you a really nice pumping feel. And for a gloss, like this is one swipe and I got all this pigmentation. And for a gloss, they are pretty long wearing because in my last video, the one I tried, I wore it for it seemed like a couple hours and it was still on my lips. But of course, if you do eat or drink something, it will kind of wear it down. But I really love this color. It is so cute. This one I was really excited to try because it's like more of my everyday type of tone. So I'm here for this. This is so cute. Glosses are definitely like one of my favorite things from the collection. So I really love this. It looks really nice with the kind of bold eye and then the more neutral lips. So I think it's really fun. All in all, I think the Sasha palette is really fun. And if this is the kind of color story that you're interested in and into, I think this one will be perfect for you. Honestly, the colors, I think all worked out really well in the end. Getting there was a little bit difficult because I didn't know what I wanted to do with the color story, but I think the look ended up turning out really cute. I think this palette would be honestly really nice for fall because it just has those really rich type of tones and I think it would just be perfect for that season. If Sasha is your favorite Bratz or you're just into this color story, I think it worked out really well. And honestly, for $22, you really can't beat that for the quality and the amount of variety that you get. And all of these highlighter shades are beautiful. The one I ended up using today I think turned out really cute. Mostly I feel like if you are kind of a collector of makeup or something, you just want to get these for the nostalgia, but also it is a plus that they work really well. So if you're into this, I think definitely pick this one up, try it out, see what you think. I think the colors are really pretty. If you're into the lip glosses or like plumping glosses, anything like that, definitely check these ones out. They have been a hit for me so far. I love the colors. I think that is all for today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. It would mean the world to me. And also I will link in the description the video I did on the Bratz Limitless palette if you guys want to check that one out. And don't forget to keep a lookout because I do have the other 3 palettes here that I will be doing videos on as well. So as soon as I get those out, I will link them as well. But yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching and I will see you in my next one.